Today I'm going to show you how to remove video background using app, and the name of the app called capcut, which you can download it from Play Store. I already have downloaded, so I'm not gonna do it again. So and I'll try to explain it as simple as I can, because I had an issue with that and I tried to see some YouTube videos and couldn't find anything was like satisfactory, because there are a lot of videos, they just put music in there and like here and there, didn't get nothing at all. So I had to burst my head and dig deeper to find a solution, which I did, and I'm going to show it to you in a very simple and easiest way to do it. Without further ado, let's get started. Just gonna click on new project, and then have some stock videos. For example, I want this background right here. Looks cool, isn't it? So you're just gonna click on simple add, and then I'm gonna click on overlay and click on the plus sign, which will add overlay. And I'm gonna choose this video right here. Nobody could show me how to do it. I'm gonna click on add, and I'm just gonna remove that ugly background, which I don't like it. So there's a remove background right beside that delete. Just click on that. See, ugly background is gone.